going to edit our course. First of all, you need to prepare these links. First, these are PDF files for our products, and then also you need to prepare the Canva template links. You can just put everything in a Google Sheet like this, okay, to make everything organized. Then I have a systeme.io affiliate link here. You can get your link by go to your systeme.io dashboard, click on that one and hover to affiliate dashboard. Scroll down on the right side, you can see this is your affiliate link. Copy that one and paste it in here. If you have your Namecheap affiliate link, you can also paste in here. If you don't have it, just skip it for now. You need to sign up for a share a sale account to get your Namecheap link. Now let's go to the products tab and go to courses. We already imported this one before, so you can just go ahead and click on that. Then click on the Ultimate Playlist bundle. In here you will see there are different products. You need to click on this button, then remove this file, copy the file link here. Make sure you grab the right link and paste it in here. And you can do the same for the other products. Next is for the Canva link. This one is a bit different. You can click on that and you will see the hyperlink here. You can remove this link, remove that, go here, copy the link and go here, paste it in, hit save. Make sure you click on this save icon here, it's pretty small. The same things go for these two products. And finally, you will need to change your name and your Instagram handle. With that, you can save changes and exit. You can also go to the magnet file and do the exact same thing. For funnel creation, you can click on that and click on Start Building Your Funnel. In this step, you will see there's a line that say click here to get your systeme.io account. So you can just click on this one and you will see this is where you replace with your systeme.io affiliate link. Then click on this save icon here. And finally, you need to click on this save changes and then exit again. Now scroll down to step 8, edit email sequence, and step 10. And in here you will see click here to create a Namecheap account, and this is the part where you replace with your Namecheap affiliate link. And also for the step 10, you will change to your affiliate link here. Hit save changes and exit. After you have replaced with all the links, now it's important to activate the course. If you click on this drop down button, you will see the module inside. Now you need to click on these three dots here and click on activate. Confirm. You will do the same for your magnet file. Click here and activate. The funnel creation step is a little bit long, so just go ahead and activate every one of them. After you have done, then your course is available. If you don't own any product, you can just go ahead and click on these three dots and click on delete. That's how you remove it. Or if you don't activate it, it will not be shown on your client's dashboard as well. And now you can click on these three dots right here for each module. Click on setting, choose the funnels, choose the faceless bundle funnel template, then choose the step for it. For this part, you will choose the upsell, then hit save. Next, for the lead magnet, you can choose that one, choose a funnel like this, then funnel step, you choose the lead magnet POR. Next, for funnel creation, this one you don't have to choose. And for the 30-day done for you guide, you can click on here, choose a funnel and then click on 30-day done for you. Then hit save. Now for the whole funnel, you can click on the gear icon here. You can change the instructor name to your name. You can change the course name as anything that you like. You can also choose the course domain here and the path for it. Also, you can choose the theme, the teacher's photo, logo, or course cover. You can update it. For the sales page, you can choose the facelet here and choose the step as upsell. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to raise in our Facebook group and we are here to help.